Hello guys, welcome to Detail King Auto Concept, and I would like to take you through this week at Detail King Auto Concept, episode 2nd. As we talked last week on episode 1, we had seen Z28. This is the different one. As I spoke last time, we're gonna have the other one. So this is the second one. The first one has been done. Owner's really happy. He gave it reference to his friend, and this is the second one in-house. So we're doing a similar kind of procedure as what we did on the previous one. So we did a paint correction on this one, and the application is under procedure. So we're going to put 2 layers of Ceramic Pro 9H, layer of Ceramic Pro top coat. So it's going to be 3 layers, wheels and a caliper is going to be protected as well. So quite a big job, but check out for the final video. This one at the back, again, this is for another blackout. The owner has just recently purchased, comes straight to us, brand new vehicle. We're going to change color on the wheels. All wheels going to be painted in a matte black. As well as all the chrome's going to be deleted, mirrors going to be wrapped, fog lamps going to be black, and the silver trim at the front and the rear bumper is going to be covered into the matte black as well. So nice one. Then we got the nice Maserati just in here for full detailing as well as paint correction, and ending up with the paint protection as well. We're going to start say about Friday. This Polo here has been completed, signature detailing package with the paint correction on this one, looking shiny and nice. Then we have here is 2010 Mercedes-Benz SLK. The paint has been restored. The paint work on this car has significantly damaged, especially tread tests, swirl marks and scratches. The paint has been restored on this vehicle. Full detailing has been carried over as well, and coming out mint. Family car, just as usual detailing. Would like to take you through with this car. That has been protected about a year ago. We had completed the maintenance. It's just gone through the wash. We had applied Ceramic Pro spot on it to just regenerating kind of structure. Has been done, restore the gloss, but check out the result. Completed a year before and had a really nice gloss. Customers really happy, and no imperfection, nothing like that. Working very well. Next to it is the Volvo XC 2011 XC60. Just in here for full detailing package. We had performed a prestige detailing on that one. The paint has just been gone through a cut and polish, not stage 1 or stage 2 paint correction, just a standard kind of family cars, and gone through the standard detailing package. This one is interesting one. Here for paint correction, full wash, interior like a prestige detailing, and also we're going to protect it with the Ceramic Pro. Alloy is going to be protected with Ceramic Pro wheels and caliper as well, which is quite interesting work. Yeah. Check out the final video. Hopefully we get it done by Friday, and preparing the video for that one as well. So yeah, that's all guys. That's all we have for this week at Detail King. Yeah, please stay tuned, and thanks for your support and watching all the videos. Give us a call and book your car in today. Thank you.